Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G42. In this video I will show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Enter Transit Pass and select your Transit Pass if you are able to find it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next we've got Loyalty. Simply select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Enter your member ID or scan your card. Then simply tap Add to Wallet. And the last card you can add is Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.